Hello and welcome to Creative Cooking on a Shoestring. Today we're going to be making a Korean barbecue hamburger. First we're going to start with our sauce. I have 3/4 cups of soy sauce. Add that to my little saucepan here. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Let me turn that on. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. A tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. That would be about 3 cloves of crushed garlic and about an inch-sized piece of fresh ginger. And about a tablespoon of chili garlic sauce and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're just going to cook this down until it thickens up and becomes glossy. Okay, our barbecue sauce is nice and thick. I'm going to turn that off now. And I'm going to mix in about a teaspoon of sesame oil. This looks and smells so good. Okay, now I'm just going to set this aside and prepare our burgers. In my bowl, I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. To that, I'm going to add some soy sauce, and a teaspoon or so. A teaspoon of sesame oil and a good heaping teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. And I'm going to get in here with my hands and mix that all up. Now normally once this is mixed up, I would put it in the refrigerator and let it rest so all of those flavors will mingle around in there, but I'm hungry, so I'm just going to divide this up into some patties. Okay, let me wash my hands and get my George Foreman grill out, and we'll get started. Okay, my George Foreman is hot. Let me put one of these burgers down on here. Let me slather on some of this barbecue sauce. Generously. And I'll be back when this is done. Okay, our burger is done. I prepared my bun. I have some sriracha mayonnaise on here. Let me grab this. Ooh, it's hot. Put that down. Oh. Slather on some more of this barbecue sauce. A good healthy dose of it. And here I have, this is just a quick coleslaw that I made, and I chopped up some kimchi into it, which I thought sounded really good to go with this burger. And I'm going to put a nice pile on top of that. And as soon as I get myself cleaned up, I'll be back to give this a taste. Okay, there's my burger. It looks and smells delicious. So let's give it a taste and find out for sure. Mmm. Oh, it's sweet, spicy, juicy. It's dripping everywhere. I'm gonna have another bite to make sure. Mmm. Oh my goodness. You have definitely got to try this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. And I will have the recipes down in the description. And you can find them on my Patreon page. That link is down in the description too. If you become a patron, you will have access to all of my recipes in PDF format. You'll also be able to watch my videos 1 week before anybody else. So it's till next time. This is seriously good stuff.